dude. Yeah. Oh, hey, man. How you going? Yeah. Fuck, eh. Yeah, just fuck, eh. What? No, it's pretty... Oh, fuck, that hurt my ass. I said, no, well, no. No. But you know what it is, though? Uh-huh. Yeah. It's pouring outside. No, it's not. Yes, it is. It's pouring. It's raining. It's hella lit out. It's actually not lit. It's the opposite of lit. It's raining, dude. No, it's not. Yes, it is. It's raining. Pouring. It's pouring. Yeah, well, my mom said it's only sprinkling. Go have a look. It's fucking not. Go check there if you don't believe me. That is pouring or raining. Is it raining? Or is it pouring? There's water falling from the sky, and if you don't believe me, go have a look. I'll prove you wrong then. Do we really have to? I don't want to have to get. Do we have to? Alright, fucking come on then. Go on. I'll prove you wrong that it's not actually raining, pouring. I don't know. You've confused me there, but just open this fucking door. Start. Go on. Just walk. Ah, what? So it is raining. No, it's not. Well, no. Can I come back in now? No. Well, why not? Because it's not raining. What the fuck? Fuck off. Let me back in the fucking house. Not with those manners. Let me in the fucking house. Please. Fuck off. Fucking piece of shit. I'm gonna fucking... making me walk in the fucking rain. Ah, that really hurt my feet. Open up. Let me in. Fucking door! I hate it. I want to come in. They can't happen. I want to come in. No. Fuck off.
I want to come in.
And why should I let you in? Because it's fucking raining! But it's not raining. Alright, I believe you, okay? It's raining. I can feel it. It's fucking pouring, but... just let me in the house, please. I don't want him to find you. Hey, look, it's a turkey. Fuck off. Just let me in the fucking house. Fine. Come on. Come in. Thank you. Stupid ass. I don't know how I got through that first door after you closed it, but here I am doing it a second time. How about you gnaw my asshole? Man, it just is. It just is! Put it right in my ass. Just... what the fuck am I doing? You're a noise. Alright? Dude, I think you've got a problem. I don't know, you have problems. No, I think you've got a very severe problem. Name one. Give me one problem that I have. Could this be one of them? Yeah, well, I wouldn't exactly call that a problem, would you?
You are a pirate!
Do you know what my biggest fucking problem is? I can't pass raining blood on expert. Fuck it, I'm gay. Let me in. Let me in. Fucking door! Hey, look, it's another turkey.
You can tell by the way I use my walk, I'm a woman's man. No time to talk. There's more high notes and I don't know the words, but it's alright. It's okay. You can walk the other way. Dun, dun, dun. Get it done. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive.